Welcome to the introductory video that shows parents and students how to use the educational platform of MEDAD International Kindergarten. First, you have to download the application from the App Store or the Play Store. Write MEDAD International Kindergarten in the search bar. Click on Install, then wait for the app to be downloaded. The next step is Student Login. Press Login and enter the username and the password that has been given to the student. While entering your password, please consider the uppercase and the lowercase of the letters. You can press on Show Password icon to check your password before you log in. Now press Login. The application will show Save Password option for automatic login. Press Save. How to edit my profile. Press on this icon that appears at the top left of the screen. Press Edit Profile. Press on the picture icon. Then choose your picture and press Done. You can edit the picture to choose the part of the picture that you want it to appear, then press Save. Follow the same steps to change your cover picture. You can also edit and save information on your bio, then press Save. To join classes, click on Profile icon, then press Join the classes. Then choose the class that you want to join from the class list. In the class you will find all the posts, the attendance, and the uploaded documents. How to follow one of your friends in the same class. From the Joined Classes list, choose the class. Then press Members. The class list will appear in front of you. Choose which friend you would like to follow and press on the Follow icon in front of his name. How to chat with the class teacher. From Joined Classes list, choose your class. You will find the teacher's name. To follow the teacher, press Follow. To send a private message to the teacher, click on Send Message icon. You can send a text message or a voice message by clicking on the mic icon. Drag the icon up to record.
Assalamu alaikum ya muallimati.
And press on this icon to send your message. You can press on play to listen to the voice messages. By going back to the teacher's profile, you can see the classes that the teacher is responsible for. But you won't be able to join any classes, rather your class. How to create your own post. Go back to the main list. Click on Create Your Post icon that appears at the bottom of the screen. By clicking on this icon, you can upload any attachment, like videos, photos, or any documents. You can also scan any paper from your phone. After you choose the file you want, press Done. Please note that you can upload maximum 3 minutes video. You can cut the video and divide it, then press Save. Then we write the text. After you finish from editing your post, you have an option to post in public. If you want to choose this option, click on the tick at the top left of your screen. Click on Post icon. Go to Edit on my post. To edit on my posted videos, press on this icon. A list will appear. Choose Edit. To disable comments on your post, click on this icon, then choose Disable Comments. To delete the post itself, click on the same icon and choose Delete. A message will appear to confirm the deletion. Press on Delete again. How to view and comment on the latest posts. When you open the application, all posts will appear from the latest to the oldest. You can like any post you want, and you can write a comment by clicking on the comment button.